My name is Somayya Alam and I'm a student of public school Sangota, Swat. Today I am thrilled and excited to share my reviews on the book The Three Tales of Gulistan-e-Saadi, a classic piece of Persian literature that is written by a famous poet, Sheikh Saadi. This book is filled with deep moral stories that I can't wait to dive into it with you. Before we get into the book itself, I want to highlight the two incredible women that made this version even more special. Zarminae Ansari, the editor of this edition, did a phenomenal job in making Saadi's wisdom accessible to the modern readers. And a huge shout out for Dr. Arfa, who wrote the foreword. Now let's dive into the heart of the three tales of the Gulistan-e-Saadi. It is not just any book, it's a treasure chest of wisdom. Saadi uses simple but profound tales to show that wisdom isn't just in knowledge, but in how we treat others, how we face the challenges, and how we seek personal growth. Before we wrap up, I want to extend my heartfelt gratitude to the Joy of Urdu for introducing the three tales from Gulistan-e-Saadi in both English and Urdu translations, allowing people of different backgrounds to appreciate the depth of Saadi's wisdom. As we come to the end of this review, I want to thank the incredible team behind this remarkable edition, The Three Tales from the Gulistan-e-Saadi. Thank you all for your hard work and for dedication, and let's keep exploring the beauty of the literature together.